I'm Hope Escobar, Community Risk Reduction Specialist at Roanoke Fire-EMS.
And I'm Jill Lucas-Drakeford, Carilion Children's Safe Kids Coordinator.
Today we're talking about how you can keep your children safe while traveling in a vehicle. Every day, on average, 2 children under 14 are killed in traffic crashes, and 345 more are injured while riding in passenger vehicles.
And here's what's even more concerning. 43% of children killed weren't even restrained at all. That means nearly half weren't buckled in. And we know that locally, in this area, 8 out of 10 infants and children are not being transported properly in vehicles.
The first step in protecting your child is making sure they're in the right car seat. Age, height, and weight all play a role. In Virginia, you must keep your child rear-facing until they are at least 2 years old or meet the manufacturer's minimum weight for front-facing car seats. Then, they can move into a forward-facing seat with a harness. Keep them in the harness up to the upper weight limit that is stated on the car seat label.
By law, all children must ride in a car seat or booster seat until they are 8 years old. However, the American Academy of Pediatrics states that what is safest for your child is for them to ride in a booster seat until they are at least 4 feet 9 inches tall. Most children don't reach this until they're 9 to 11 years old. For reference, I'm 5'5". My friend is 4'9", and all children need to ride in the back seat until they are 13. Not sure which car seat is right? Use tools like Safe Kids Ultimate Car Seat Guide or NHTSA's Car Seat Finder. Choosing the right seat can make all the difference.
Even the best car seat won't protect your child if it's not installed properly. Be sure to follow the car seat instruction manual and your owner's manual for the best installation.
Some of the common mistakes that we see are that the harness straps are just too loose. You should not be able to pinch any webbing together. We also see that the chest clip is too low. In a properly installed car seat with a child in a car seat, the harness straps need to be snug and the chest clip must be placed on the chest right at armpit level. One of the most common mistakes that we see for car seat installations in the vehicle is they're not installed tightly enough. When installed in your car, it should not move more than 1 inch from side to side or front to back. This is an improperly installed car seat. One way to ensure that your car seat is tightly installed is that you need to lock your seat belt. Slowly pull out on the webbing to the very end until you hear the ratcheting noise and it's locked. Then you're going to push down on the car seat and pull out on your seat belt. Now, when you grab it and give it a nice shake, it should not move. Finally, if you have a child that's old enough for a forward-facing seat, always remember to attach the top tether strap. Installing car seats can be harder than you think. We recommend that you seek assistance from a certified car seat safety technician.
Here in the city of Roanoke, we offer car seat checks every month from 4 to 6 p.m. on the 3rd Thursday at station number 6.
Need your car seat checked sooner? You can call Carilion Children's Safe Kids at 540-981-9435 to make an appointment to get your car seat checked sooner.
So remember, to keep your child safe, choose the right seat, make sure they're harnessed correctly, and that your car seat is correctly installed in your vehicle.
Seek out a certified car seat safety technician. It could save your child's life.
When it comes to protecting kids on the road, together we can knock down the risk.